Yeah, that's great. Rugby.
Oh, I remember that.
Okay, at least she's sleeping now. Then she's gonna sleep.
Yeah. Let me see. I'll be like.